Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. We'll show how to prevent other user accounts from missing on the Windows login screen. Try these fixes. Let's go start. Method 1. Press Win+R to open the Run command dialog box. Type lusrmgr.msc and press Enter to open the Local Users and Groups tool. Click the Users. Right-click on one of the problematic user accounts and select Properties. Uncheck the Account is Disabled box. From there, click Apply and then click OK. Moth 2. Press the Windows key and type in the Local Group Editor, and click on Local Group Editor into the search bar. Navigate to Computer Configuration. Click on Administrative Templates. Click on System. Scroll down and click on Logon. Double-click the Enumerate Local Users on Domain Join Computers option on the right-hand side. Select Enabled on the next screen. Next, click Apply and then click OK. Double-click on the Hide Entry Points. Select Disabled and click Apply, and then click OK to save these changes. Now restart your PC or laptop. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.